There are a lot of differences between animals and humans, but the first and most important distinction is intelligence and strength. While humans have got the gift of intelligence over the years through evolution, we are nothing compared to the strength most animals possess. Even among them, some animals are stronger than the others. And some even have insane muscles that you, I, and Arnold can only dream of. Here in this video, we're going to tell you about 12 powerful animals with insane muscles that can put the best of bodybuilders to shame. So, watch the video till the end. Number 12. Beluga whale. Just take a look at this guy. Looks like he's eager to show everyone that he is boss, and rightfully so, because that's what we would do if we were as shredded as this beluga whale. These medium-sized toothed whales have a thick, muscular body that is tapered at both ends. An average beluga male measures anywhere between 14 to 16 feet, but they can reach a maximum length of 20 feet. These massive creatures can easily weigh upwards of 3,000 pounds. Their diet is one of the key factors that enable these creatures to have such ripped bodies. Belugas are capable of consuming a whopping 50 to 60 pounds of food every day. Even in captivity, these whales can develop and show off their sick abs and intense flipper muscles. What's interesting about these animals is the fact that they don't just have an incredibly awesome body, they are equally intelligent creatures as well. Number 11. Belgian blue bull. These images might look photoshopped to you, but trust me, that's really how buff Belgian bulls are. These super muscular animals make other bulls look like cupcakes. The reason why Belgian blue bulls get so bulk is because of a naturally occurring mutation called double muscling, which occurs when the animals lack a certain protein that regulates muscle growth. Scientists have found that double-muscled animals have an increase in muscle mass of up to 20% greater than normal animals. The weight of these gigantic bulls can easily reach upwards of 2,600 pounds. Additionally, selective breeding by cattle breeds is also another factor that causes these bulls to have unbelievably ripped and bulky bodies. The meat industry selectively breeds animals who exhibit this mutation to produce bigger animals and, therefore, more meat. This makes the Belgian blue bull one of the largest and most ripped breeds of bulls in the world. Number 10. Kangaroo. It might sound fake at first, but it's not uncommon for kangaroos to look like bodybuilders. A century ago, you could even enjoy exhibition matches between kangaroos and humans, just like any regular boxing match today. Male kangaroos are just masses of pure muscle. They have broad, firm chests and abdomens with arms that have bulging biceps. One reason behind their incredibly muscular bodies is the fact that these animals fight a lot for a number of reasons. These brawls indicate that they are using all of their musculature and are essentially working out while fighting. They have a unique and different gait in which they jump around, and the way they do this innately gives them really great musculature. These burly creatures are building their bodies just by performing daily activities like moving around and fighting with each other. And these guys aren't planning on stopping anytime soon, because research shows that female kangaroos are more attracted to the most muscular male. Number 9. Indian bison. If an American rodeo had one of these Indian bisons instead of bucking bulls, I'm pretty sure even the most seasoned riders would consider quitting the sport. These creatures are considered to be the largest bovine in the world, and an average male Indian bison weighs around 1,700 to 2,200 pounds, whereas females are a couple hundred pounds lighter. Native to South and Southeast Asia, these massively built creatures are also the tallest species of wild cattle found in this region. Indian bison can grow up to be above 5 feet tall, but some individuals have been observed to grow as tall as 7 feet. Unfortunately, it's possible that we won't be seeing more of these large, magnificent creatures because of the rapid decline in population due to poaching and loss of habitat. As a result, the Indian bison has been designated as vulnerable and was included in the IUCN Red List in 1986. Number 8. Horse. It might seem like these horses are on steroids, but that's certainly not the case. Horses have been doing intense physical labor for humans for ages now. From hauling heavy weights, plowing hard soil, to carrying humans on their backs over long distances, these creatures have naturally evolved to have thick muscles, a large heart, and powerful lungs that enable them to do harsh grunt work without breaking a sweat. The daily activities these animals do is nothing short of a vigorous exercise routine that trains and develops their bodies to be extremely shredded. Their diet also immensely helps them grow those big burly muscles. Horses get all the protein they need for muscle growth and strength from plants. The secret lies in their digestive system. Horses have a single-chamber stomach where bacteria break down cellulose from grass to release nutrients like protein and sugars. Some large horse breeds grow to be so powerful that they have been known to pull up to 3 times their own weight. That means they might pull up to 2,500 pounds or more. Number 7. Grizzly bear. The grizzly bear is hands down one of the strongest mammals on the planet. Its sheer size and power is more than enough to intimidate the fiercest of predators. An adult grizzly can lift more than 500 pounds with just one paw. Just imagine what it could do with both. Just because a grizzly bear has a really thick coat of fur, it can be hard to appreciate their jacked muscles. The secret to a grizzly's incredible strength is their huge muscles and special physiology. Their body has a large shoulder hump, where massive muscles attach to the bear's backbone and give the bear additional strength for digging. An adult grizzly consumes up to 58,000 calories in just a day, so it's no wonder that these guys are capable of developing such insane muscles. The weight of an average male is upward of 700 pounds, while females are a bit lighter, weighing in at about 400 to 600 pounds. Grizzly bears are a true nightmare for even the most badass creatures out there. Number 6. Tiger. We've come so far on this list without mentioning a single big cat, but I think it's time we bring them in because tigers are as big as cats get. Tigers are the strongest of felines when it comes to absolute muscle power. What makes them incredibly muscular and strong is the fact that tigers are always working hard to put food on the table. Every hunting session, whether successful or not, is nothing less of an intense workout for these guys. Moreover, tigers have an all-meat diet, which coupled with their vigorous hunting routine simply translate to enhanced muscle building. An adult tiger needs to eat around 9 kilograms of meat in a day. But that's not all. These apex predators are capable of eating 50 kilograms of meat in just one meal. Check out their powerful and brawny hind legs, and you'll know where all of that protein goes to. Those ripped muscles give them power to run, leap, jump, and clamp on to prey with crushing force. Number 5. Dogs. Dogs might not be the first creatures when we think about animals with insane muscles, but some dog breeds will seriously make you reconsider this thought. Different dog breeds were developed to do different jobs, and the ones bred to do challenging tasks like hunting, physical labor, and protecting are the ones that become extremely ripped and bulky. Dog breeds such as terriers, Rottweiler, pit bulls, and many more are so muscular due to their natural stature, genetics, selective breeding, and diet. Breeds retain the muscular characteristics in these dogs and enhance them to the point where today, these brawny dogs would put any weightlifter to shame with their muscles. With muscles like Rambo, these animals rightfully earn their spot on this list. Number 4. Big-horned sheep. If it wasn't obvious enough from their name, big-horned sheep are well known for their big horns that act as the perfect weapon when they find themselves in a tight spot. But those big horns wouldn't be of any use if these sheep weren't as muscular and strong as they are. This is also the primary reason why big-horned sheep are considered to be the strongest species of sheep on the planet. They have a compact muscular body along with extremely strong neck muscles and limbs, which enable them to gain momentum and deliver powerful blows while ramming into other animals. Climbing the Rocky Mountains of their habitat also acts as a workout to train and develop those muscles to make them battle-ready. Number 3. Chimpanzee. Bulky doesn't always equate to muscles, and chimpanzees are living proof of that. They are always on the leaner side and share 97% of their DNA with humans, so they are basically like us. But in terms of sheer strength and muscles, we don't even come close to what these primates are capable of. Apart from being extremely jacked, their muscles are also composed of 65% fast-twitch fibers. This allows them to extract more power from their muscle fibers and further helps in muscle growth. Their ripped bodies might not be obvious because of their fur, but take a look at this particular one without body hair, and you'll understand why they are on this list. These beefed-up species of primates are not just muscular and powerful, but also equally intelligent. Chimpanzees have been observed to make and use tools to make daily tasks easier. Number 2. Lioness. Lions may be the king of the jungle, but they couldn't possibly do it without the ladies. After all, it's the lioness that goes hunting and puts food on the table for the entire family. It is no secret that lionesses are way better than their male counterparts when it comes to devouring prey. They don't get muscular. In fact, they are muscular. These big cats are born with the superior genetic code of a big feline, which translates to big, powerful muscles. All that hard work these felines put into a hunt help them maintain those super ripped muscles and keep these creatures in top-notch form. Just like tigers, lionesses rely on an all-meat diet, which provides the necessary nutrition to conserve those strong muscles. This, combined with the active portion of their lifestyle, creates the perfect recipe for a hunky and dominating predator. Number 1. Gorillas. It is no secret that gorillas exhibit superhuman strength. They can even take out a heavyweight MMA champion with just one stroke. And these herbivorous animals are living proof that you don't need to consume meat to have a strong muscular body. Thanks to their genes, DNA, and bone structure, gorillas have the type of body and strength that enables them to survive the harsh conditions of the jungle. These incredibly jacked creatures get their bulk from the ridiculous amounts of cellulose that builds up from consuming 45 pounds of food every day. Their tree-dwelling ancestry and active nature also further enhances their muscle-building process. Studies have shown that silverback gorillas are 20 times stronger than 20 adult humans combined. In fact, any gorilla can lift up to 450 kilograms, which is at par with the best bodybuilders in the world. It is even believed that a gorilla can shatter a human skull with just one blow. They are also infamous for escaping enclosures by bending iron bars. I guess that's enough reason for anyone to stay as far away from these creatures as possible. So tell me, what do you think about these insanely muscular animals? Do you know of any other animals with insane muscles that deserve a spot on this list? How would they fare up against a gorilla or a grizzly? Let us know your answers in the comments section below. As always, if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. If you're new to the channel, just hit the bell icon and turn on all notifications after subscribing to the channel. That'll keep you up to date with all the interesting videos we post on this channel. We'll see you soon in the next one. Bye!